Welcome to the Meet the Club's RSVP tutorial. This video will help you better understand how you can RSVP your organization for this semester's virtual Meet the Clubs on MataSync. First, you will log on to MataSync, then head on over to the Manage section. Once you're there, you're going to go ahead and select the organization you would like to RSVP for. Click Sign Up. Once on this page, you'll go ahead and insert a brief summary about your organization and include any other information you would like other students to know about you. Finally, you will insert the Zoom link to your live session, hit Submit, and you're all set. These are just a few helpful event tips that can assist your organization with preparing for Meet the Clubs. Make sure to update your organization's MataSync profile with all of the latest information for this semester. Also, feel free to update your introduction video that you created last semester. And of course, create marketing material and promote your organization's participation in the event. Good luck!